All right, guys, and so we begin. And of course, DIYSalvation, Do-It-Yourself Salvation. And Pastor Esther's here, the founder of Treasure Force Model Church.
There are things in your life that you didn't know that the Holy Spirit could take care of, but you let Him. You yield to Him. You talk to Him. Sometimes we are too strong, and sometimes it's just to tell the Holy Spirit, run it by Him, and you would have seen that a lot of things would have changed. You would have just told Him, no, don't do it like this. Do it like this. No, don't do it. Very simple things. I had an issue with someone. I was just so upset. I just blocked the person, on my phone and all of that. And so later I was praying about the issue. I was praying about it. I thought it was going to be like, because it was really a big issue in my heart, So I thought it was going to be very big. And then I just heard the Lord just say, unblock. Just unblock. I was like, and then I started responding, like, no, I'm trying to explain why. And I said, unblock.